now that I have most of it clean, as far as I can get it clean, I'm going to let it dry off a little bit while I go in the back and prepare the package area for its rubberized coating. When this starts to dry, I will take the parts off one by one, clean them and put them back. That way I don't have everything in a big mess and I don't know exactly where it went. So I'll take the shocks off one by one, dry them, clean them off, put them back. If you replace your front shocks, remember, don't ever take them off at once because your wheel will collapse. What are you looking at? Can't trust these damn cats. That's Princess, the other one's sister. She's about 13 years old too. And those cats, for some reason, they hate each other. I don't know what the deal is. So that's where I'm at so far. Another thing I'm going to do is, like where the wiring connects right down here, I'm going to undo these wiring wraps here and here and pull the looms, which that's what these are, and see if they're rubbing anywhere. I noticed I had one yellow wire right here, and I don't know where this wire goes to, but it's been rubbing right here, and that can be a problem, because what can happen is sometimes your equipment that it's connected to works, sometimes it doesn't. It sputters in and out, especially with these strokers. They vibrate a lot. So I'm just going through it to make sure that when I put the motor in it, that I've covered all my bases. And that's one thing about being old, pushing 60, is I take my time. And sometimes I take too much time and I get depressed because it's not going together fast enough. But on the other hand, once I get the engine in it and everything turned on and it works, then I know I've covered everything. And I won't have to worry about it till next year. I can just go out and ride the damn thing. Okay, now we're going to go into the back panel. I mean this panel has got to be rubberized, and this one has got to be sanded. This one right here. So I'm just going to pull up a chair, grab me some 600 or 800 grit, and I'm going to smooth it all down. Then I'll put it on my little deal over there and shoot some truck black on it. Alright, Operation DIO is continuing. This is not the real sexy part of the engine work or the parts of putting the bike back together, but this is what it takes if you want to do it right. Remember, these parts are all 24, 25, 26 years old. So, and some of them I can't get anymore. So I'm just going to make them look better and put them all back together. Alright, this is DIOSpeedDEMON.